Hello again everyone and welcome to the Weather Centre. From our satellite loop we can see the cold front that's made its way over the Western Cape today. That's also brought rainfall to that province, and ahead of that cold front very windy weather settled in to some parts of the Eastern Cape coast including Port Elizabeth. On the opposite side of the country, temperatures rose into the upper 30s and low 40s over the low veld and in northern KwaZulu-Natal, and as the day warmed up on the high veld, thunder showers have popped up for many areas including some parts of the Free State and in the northwest. Let's take a look at this evening's weather conditions, and as the cold front moves away, an onshore flow is going to push in cloud cover and a likelihood for rain along the southern and east coasts of the country, while there's still a possibility for thunder showers up in the northern parts including Gauteng well into tonight. Mainly clear conditions on the other hand further westwards. For tomorrow, and we're going to see cooler air in circulation over the far eastern parts, significant cooling for the low veld and in KZN, along with cloudy conditions and a possibility for a few showers. We could see thunderstorms over parts of Limpopo and Mpumalanga as well, a small possibility for storms in Gauteng, while over the central parts it will be hot and dry and a sunny day expected further westwards, including along our western coastline. There is one alert for tonight, and that is a watch for the heavy seas or high seas that are expected to settle in along the south coast, where swells could exceed 6 meters. And there is still the special weather advisory heading into tomorrow for the persistence of the heat wave over some parts of the northern interior. For tonight's rainfall probability map, we see that possibility for rain along the south coast, including around George, Plett and Mossel Bay. Just a 20% chance for Port Elizabeth, a fleeting shower or two possible in that area, and rain likely overnight for parts of the Wild Coast and in particular over KZN. Thunderstorms before then over parts of Gauteng into the northwest, and in particular over some areas over in Mpumalanga where scattered storms might be developing later on. A fairly mild night in the forecast for the southern and western parts of South Africa, especially the high ground, lower teens for those areas, but very warm in the north, 19 for Pretoria and Polokwane overnight and into the early hours of Tuesday. Tuesday afternoon will bring extremely high temperatures into Gauteng and the northwest, 39 for Pretoria and Mahikeng, temperatures rising over the western parts of the country where Cape Town gets to 26, but a significantly cooler day in the forecast for KZN, 22 as a maximum for Pietermaritzburg. Wednesday will be very hot once again over the eastern parts with thunder showers, sunshine in the west, a warm day along the southern coastline. And on Thursday, cooler air will push in for that area thanks to a cold front, and temperatures will rise once again in Gauteng, although we could see a couple of thunder showers. Now for a quick look at what you could expect for your Christmas Day's weather conditions. It's going to be a very pleasant day for both Cape Town and Port Elizabeth. Durban, on the other hand, cloudy and wet, 22 degrees is a high, certainly not a beach day for that area. Afternoon thunder showers for a hot Johannesburg and very hot and dry into Bloemfontein. That's all from the Weather Centre. Goodbye for now.